Are you tired of looking for notes, struggling with research references, and also writing your research papers the hard way? What if I told you that an AI teacher can actually help you write, analyze, and even turn the notebook into an audio format? Yes, and you can actually do this absolutely for free. Yes, you got that. Let me introduce you to Notebook. Welcome back to Tech. So if you're a student, researcher, or someone who just loves learning, then this video is actually for you. I'll be showing you how Notebook LM actually help you to ease your workflow by helping you to write, analyze, and also get insight into your research materials. Let's get right into it. Firstly, Notebook LM is no ordinary notebook. It's an AI that can actually help you write your research papers or help you write smarter in general. How do you use this? You upload your research material into the Notebook LM. It highlights key points and AI generates insight and summaries for you. If you need references, it also helps you organize and sort references in a structured format. Now think about this, cutting your research time into half while still maintaining actual good quality. Next, you can actually share your research material with Notebook LM and actually have conversations with it. Yes, ask it questions about your research topic and provide detailed answers. And to provide detailed answers, collaborate with team. You can also share your notebook and get instant feedback or suggestion. Here's actually the game changer, the very interesting part that we're waiting for. Notebook LM can actually turn your research paper into an audio that you can listen to wherever you are or even on the go.
Right, buckle up, everybody, because today we are going on a deep dive.
Oh, yeah, we're going deep on this one.
We are diving into the sometimes mysterious, sometimes confusing, always fascinating world of...
And it actually makes you to even learn faster and get smarter. By the way, Notebook LM is not just a tool, it's actually a way to help researchers and students and those who want to learn actually learn more smarter, quicker, and easier. Yeah. What do you think about Notebook LM? Will it change your workflow? Let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section. Be trying this